So hello and welcome back guys. In this video we are going to create our first Next.js application, and in the upcoming videos we are going to create the project inside it, and let's start with this. Okay, so first of all you have to go to your Visual Studio Code. So I am opening it over here. Okay, now what you have to do, so first let's create a folder. Okay, so I am creating a folder called uh, let's save our first application. So first next dash app. Okay, so what I now we you have to do, uh, go to this cd first. Okay, now open it in the VS Code. So how will you do that? Code dot. Okay, so this will open it in VS Code. Now you have to go to terminal again. Okay, you have to type the command npx create next app @latest. Okay, what will be the name of our project? The dot I have put over here because I want to create all the Next.js application inside this folder only. Okay, so I am going to use the TypeScript. Say yes to TypeScript. ESLint, we are going to use the ESLint for the formatting or the indentation. We are going to use the styling purpose for the Tailwind CSS. Okay, we are not going to use the source directory, means all the application folder will be in the root directory only. Okay, we are going to use the app router because it is recommended in Next 15. We are using the type turbo pack. We are not using the import aliases, means we are using the relative path US. Okay, it will create a Next.js application inside this folder only. Okay, so it is saying success over here, means it has created all our first Next.js application. Okay, so what we have to do now, let's uh, start our application. Okay, so how will you start? npm run dev. This is the command for starting our application. Okay, let's hit enter. So it has started our application in the port of 3000. So let's go to this one. So here our first Next.js application is ready. So in this upcoming video we are going to explore all the folder structure, and we will be going through project creation, so you will understand it better. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.